Hi everyone, this is Autumn and welcome back to the channel. We're thinking of making a series on common concerns those of you out there have, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel so you don't miss future videos like this one. With that being said, let's get into it. Is your Stryker 655 or 955 not powering on? In this video, we'll walk through the most common reasons for this issue. We do see this a lot, so before you think there's a problem with your radio, it is wise to make sure you understand the controls. To turn on your Stryker 655 or 955, use the VOL or volume control on the bottom left of the radio, just like any other radio. If you look carefully at the controls, the words will hint to what each stack knob does. So the bottom left control says VOL and points to the little knob on the inside, and the SQL abbreviation points to the large knob on the outside. So you just turn the small volume knob to turn the radio on. Don't feel bad though, it's very common for people to use the wrong control when trying to turn the radio on. If you're trying to turn your Stryker on using the top left knobs that say MON and PWR, you're using the wrong control. Again, if you look at the text on the radio's faceplate, you'll see the little knob on the inside says MON for monitor or talkback volume, and the bigger knob is PWR for output power. This means the little knob is your monitor or talkback volume, and the bigger knob controls the output power of the radio. You would normally turn on the MON, again the talkback, to as loud as you would like to hear your own voice. The PWR knob, again the large outside knob on the top left of the radio, controls how powerful your outgoing signal is, so generally you want this control turned all the way to the right. If you still cannot turn on your radio, you would next want to check your fuses. There is typically a fuse in the power cord just behind your radio. For reference, the Stryker 655 or 955 requires a 15 amp fuse here. Open the fuse holder and see if the fuse has failed, and if it has, replace it and try again. You will also likely have a second fuse in your fuse panel in your vehicle, so make sure this fuse is good as well. If you have access to a test light or multimeter, you could also check to make sure you are getting sufficient voltage on the power cord. Make sure you read at least between 12 volts to 14 volts DC. If it's less than 12 volts or you don't get a reading, you have a power problem in your vehicle you need to address. And finally, if you are still running into issues, your radio may need repaired. Alright, well I hope this helps you diagnose your power problems. If you need any additional help, please reach out to Walcott Radio at walcottradio.com, or you can call us at 1-844-925-2688. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time!